My clients ask me all the time, what's happening in manufacturing and supply chain? What should we be on the lookout for? Well, I would say let's be on the lookout for this spectacular rise in e-commerce. It is simply amazing. I have multiple clients that have had dramatic increases in their e-commerce business in both B2B as well as B2C. And drop shipping to individual locations has gone through the roof. Actually, I have one client that has the same volume, but more than double the number of shipments. It's not uncommon at all. I mean, just think about it. Think about what we've been doing with ordering from Amazon. I personally have ordered much, much, much more from Amazon than I did even before COVID was in place. And I'm receiving deliveries all the time. And I am certainly not alone. And it's not just Amazon. Walmart's just started their newest, program that they're offering, and there's, all sorts of opportunities out there from growing your e-commerce business to do you have the software and the systems and the communication protocols in place so that you can grow your business tenfold rapidly? Or are you going to have to do it one by one because you have manual processes in place and they're not scalable? Well, I say now is the time. Do not delay, because there are some systems that can make this easier for you. And it's not all about the systems. There's also processes, there's last mile delivery to be thinking about. It depends on what your business is, of course, but there's lots of impacts from your how do you run an efficient distribution center? How do you run an efficient warehouse? How do you bring all this back so that you have an efficient production schedule for manufacturing? Having an increase in B2B and B2C um, and package shipping, or at least multiple shipments, can have a profoundly different impact on your business. And it's wise to prepare so that you can take advantage of the opportunities. So uh, I would definitely say look into your e-commerce and your B2B, B2C. And if you aren't doing it yet and you're still on the sidelines, by all means, you better go before the race is finished and you're still thinking about and evaluating and in analysis paralysis to get going. Move, get going. So anyway, I look forward to seeing the progress with your B2B and B2C business.